Hi, it's Donna Guest here, the Lazy Scrapbooker and Creative Memories Advisor. Have you seen the new back-to-school handwriting stencil? For only $8, you've got letters forever in this cute, whimsical font. Let's give it a try. I love this new stencil because I am never going to run out of letters again. I've always got E's, A's, and all the other letters that I seem to use the most of. There's a couple of ways you can do this. You can use a fine tip Creative Memories pen and trace it, so let's give that a try. When I trace it, I kind of lean my pen into it so that I'm getting as close to the edge as I can. So that will create kind of a neat outline of a letter. But I prefer to color the letter in, and there's two ways to do that. I could trace like this, and then if I'm really good at coloring, which I've never been, I can take the bold tip, other end of the pen, and I can color all this in. Well, to me, that's just a little bit tedious, and I'm not going to be very good at it. So my goal is to always show you fast ways to do things. So here's my trick for doing this more quickly. So if I'm going to do this A, I'm going to take my bold tip pen, and I'm just going to color right here in my stencil. Now, I am going to get a little bit of blue ink slightly on the inside of my stencil. I do not care. So I'm going to keep doing it this way. And I actually like to continue these lines on so it's a complete A. But this is a really fun font. Let's do the B now. Cool. And then I can continue that on if I want to. It looks neat both ways. It looks neat, unfinished, and then also finished there. I could even join that B if I wanted to. Totally up to you how you want your letters to look. Okay, I'm going to complete a title now for my page. Okay, I've got my page already done, which if you haven't seen the video that goes with this, I'm going to throw it up in the top right-hand corner. I'm going to try to release these at the same time. So I'm going to draw the title, Can I Come In? I gotta tell you, I'm pretty bold using this bold tip pen, but I'm pretty bold doing this directly on the page that I just spent so much care doing. But you know what? If worse came to worse, I would just put something over it. You can always do that. I am going to color my letters to complete them like this, though. This will be a fun way to do a title. Usually I do the ABC stickers, but this was kind of a long title and I wanted to give this a try. And because this is just a whimsical little page with a cat on it, I didn't want to do anything too formal, and these letters are very informal. And notice how you have this helpful line here, so I can put that under my letters and it lines up my sentence or my title. I can do the same by giving enough space down here with the top where the ruler is. If you're enjoying this video, be sure to hit like so that more people will see it, and hit subscribe so that you'll see all future videos. Thanks. Oh my goodness, that's a cute little font. And I'm never going to run out of these letters. Be sure to click the video on the screen so that you can see how I made this double page spread. Thanks for watching.